If you want to make casting easier in Google Chrome, this video is going to show you exactly how to add the cast button to your toolbar in just a few simple steps. Once it's pinned, you can quickly stream videos, music, or even a browser tab to devices like Chromecast, smart TVs, and Android TVs without having to dig through menus every time. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. This is the browser where we're going to enable the cast feature and pin it for quick access. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the window and click the three dots menu. This opens the main Chrome options, where you'll find different tools and settings. From the menu, hover over or click Cast, Save, and Share. Then select Cast. Chrome will begin searching for available casting devices on your network. You may see devices like Chromecast, a smart TV, or an Android TV appear in the list if they're available. Now, once the cast pop-up is open and the cast icon appears near your toolbar, right-click that cast icon. A small menu should appear with an option to pin it. Click Pin, and that's it. The cast button will now stay visible in your Chrome toolbar permanently, so you can access it anytime without repeating the menu steps. This is a simple little change, but it makes casting much faster and much more convenient, especially if you use screen mirroring or stream media often. Now you can open Chrome, click the cast button, and start streaming in seconds. If this video was helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.